your girl swear it's long.
Hey birthday girl. With the red hair. Not the Matosa. Here's your 22-year-old.
Guys.
What are the odds? Show me. I was such call you Shaka Bayo. So guys, hi.
Shabam, 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 shabam. It's about time. Listen to Boom Shaka.
Yeah, to be so good.
No, but like, is this not Lewo Matosa, guys? Like, let's be honest. Am I not giving Lewo Matosa right now?
Well, yes, we can.
Unintentionally.
So that I don't, in case I tattoos Africa.
Loving him.
Yeah, with the Lauren Hill tattoos. We're good daughter of the soil. Oh, you pet. Oh no, I don't know. So that's
not the look I was going for. We stumbled upon.
Yeah, so we're going to the grotto, and then later on it's dinner with the girls. Esam is supposed to join us as well. So we have to call Esam when we get there because we're late. Yes, another thing is that we're late. Huh? Because we are late. And there's a traffic don't up. And we can't afford that. We can't afford that. We're late. It's very late. We're supposed to be there by 2. It's right now, it's after 2:30. This is close to Aska, so we have a chance to negotiate. But and that's what I'm saying because
no.
Because we thought they're gonna say yes. Like, why would they say no?
It was late on top of being late.
Yes. Like it's a Tuesday in January.
Right.
Like, come on, what are the odds?
I'm the definition of fun. I'm high right now, but I don't even run. Tell them man they can't steal my shine. She lang and she mine, I'll wine and dine. Most of them man they eyeing right. I just hop in my whip, I'm flying right. She BAD, call me DAD. Some of my girls come tip baby. Sometimes I'm loving them slim baby. One thing they all got, they a freak for me. I love when they all wanna sing for me. Sing for me, yeah, a symphony.
It's R-E-K-K-I when you're dressing me.
She BAD, call me DAD. Some of my girls come tip baby. Sometimes I'm loving them slim baby. One thing they all got, they a freak for me. I love when they all wanna sing for me. Sing for me, yeah, a symphony.
We need more beanies though, but throwback.
Back then it was boot cuts, hood like the Ku Klux freaky girl tryna do us. Took L's, had no tutors, you wanted litness, you had to get it right through us. First them tryna move us, stop and search, we saying we just some students. All my exes knew where the food was, rubbing their bellies, touching their fupas. Now my hair grew longer, the cargo's flared. Push the start but wear khaki bare. I rock pieces, making them stare. No, we don't dress like them and there. I just need my cut, my share. I got connects like Bluetooth pair. No boundaries, I'm jumping. Come like I'm bumping the fair. She BAD, call me DAD. Some of my girls come tip baby. Sometimes I'm loving them slim baby. One thing they all got, they a freak for me. I love when they all wanna sing for me. Sing for me, yeah, a symphony.
It's R-E-K-K-I when you're dressing me.
She BAD, call me DAD. Some of my girls come tip baby. Sometimes I'm loving them slim baby. One thing they all got, they a freak for me. I love when they all wanna sing for me. Sing for me, yeah, a symphony.
We need more beanies though, but throwback.
I'm skidding through ends, I'm thinking about times as penny up pounds from pence. 17, I had no sense, I'm young, just trying to jump the fence.
Rolling with friends,
Still in the ends, beanies busting peng. Recording my first ever song with my webcam. Used to play it back, my reaction crazy, coming like Dan and Renz. Had a sock on the mic, no stand, just hands, way before I made bands. I knew I had something when I would show people and their heads kept bopping, feet just tapping. See the words can lie, but their bodies don't do capping.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Welcome back to my channel. Today is my birthday. I'm 22. Crazy. I don't know how to feel. Like when I woke up this morning, I realized that Dimdala, like I am 22. I'm actually living like now. It's the beginning of my 23rd year actually, because my 22nd year was last year. So it's just crazy to me. Like dinner 22. In my head, I'm still 18, and I will forever be 18. I don't care what anybody says. Just got back from doing my lashes also. I booked for today because, I wanted to look cute, wanted to look pretty. But I don't know how I feel about these lashes because they were supposed to be a cat eye, a volume cat eye, but they are nothing like a cat eye. And I've done a cat eye before. It's my first time like doing something different like a cat eye with her. It's my second time even going to her. So I just think for the future, I will not be doing a cat eye with her. I'll just be doing like a simple set. But yeah, today's my birthday, the 17th of January, period. Capricorn season is almost coming to an end, and I'm closing it off. But today I do have plans. I'm going to spending today with my mom. We're gonna go out to a white farm at Groot Constantia. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along, and for the weekend I have things planned. I'm gonna spend the weekend with my friends. And I'm really looking forward to that. I'm actually excited because we have a lot in store. We have a lot that we're gonna do. Going out for lunch on Sunday, and then later on it's a boat ride. And I can't wait. Like I can't wait. I'm really excited. I really am. But yeah, I am 22, bitch. Like 22. Another year to be a baddie. Another year to be the smart ass woman. Another year to conquer everything that I want to conquer, and another year to step into the woman I want to be. Like, come on, I cannot wait. I feel like this new year that I'm entering into has so much in store for me, and I just can't wait to delve into each and every part of it. But yeah, let me get changed and then I'll be on my way.
Why I took so long? Why I took so long? Or should I say, I'm proud that I made it this far. That I made it this far. I pray for consistency, cause I'ma bring the best. It's been long, pray that I take the lead. Granddad must be proud of me. All the negativity, Almighty shall be there for me. Worry about a little thing, I know that he's there for me. Return to what I did my best. I have returned. Return to what I did my best. I have returned. Return to what I did my best.
Mama. Hi. Hello. We are getting lost. We paid for a wine tasting with the red bus tour, but I am Belani ne bus, which is so stupid. Like a ticket should give you a ride on the bus, so we came here by ourselves, and now we're getting lost.
I have returned. Return to what I do my best.
Need a roller spliff right now. Young nigga might pull up, will you be right now? You can take a pic right now, cause once I make it, it'll be hard to reach me now. Wavy, pull up on my baby. Pull up on me, know that I stay ready. Aim, I keep it steady. Really, you can save me now. Really, you can save me now. I have returned. I keep it been up pretend. With every beginning, there's always an end. I got my brothers, I don't need a friend. Whenever you fall, you can take my hand. You can take my hand.
I have returned. Return to what I do my best.
Man, it doesn't. Tasting the rosé first. Man, it's nice. I tasted the rosé.
It is a blend of 8 different grapes. Your Cabernet Sauvignon, your Cabernet Franc, Merlot, Shiraz, Pinotage, Tannat.
I'ma tell you this one time. What I want you to.
Thank you. Bye-bye. That wine tasting was going very much. I'm drinking this drink, but it's drinking me back because why can I feel it right now? So you taste 5 glasses, 5 different types of wines, and they were all so damn good and so smooth. You get the glasses for free. The tickets to the Constantia wine tasting on the Red Bus site is like $119. It was on special also. I'm not sure what the regular price is, but for 2 people it was $238, which is quite good. It's a bargain. So now we're gonna have some lunch at one of the restaurants on the wine estate. Chair.
Be mine, can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need it now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause it makes me feel this way. It's kinda like, whoa, oh, you make me feel and believe it beyond time. Nothing like when we lock eyes. I look away from time to time. All I see is you right now. Just wanna lay with you all night. Feel your body next to mine. Boy, I need you now. No, I don't wanna leave. I just wanna be here.
This was sorted. Yo, and you beat it. Like, ikondo itini. Wow. God, it's so cool here. Oh my gosh.
You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about.
When it's in the late as hell. Late as hell.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Maybe I had things to do, but I'm here.
Ah, Chubby birthday. John Bennett used to do your birthday. What's the time now? It's like +3. Oh, I'm Nongazbini. Abako, nowhere to be found. Real friends, how many of them? How many of them? I want them, when they see this, I want them to feel guilty. Because Abasanga on time to something that was planned prior. Oh, kungazi esendleleni. I think ngona phuma kokwabo ngoku. Ngona phuma kokwabo. So if they aren't here before you get on the boat, you're leaving them because the boat leaves at 5. So yeah. Anyway.
It's making me feel this way, and it's kinda like, oh, you make me feel and believe me beyond
Ngqwemla. Ngqwemla ban. Ngqwemla.
Yeah, you guys done this for the people now. Yeah.
Choma ndiyazi yebo.
Yeah,
Not a girl's bay. Choma ithini excuse yakho? Why you late?
Yo, guys. You seen it?
Listen to the lies.
Sometimes in life, ups and downs. Yeah.
When Sister Bob.
Load shedding, number one.
Ah, Chomi.
Man, I said, I made a comeback. We the only real